If you are still using the same online teaching tools you discovered since 2020 pandemic, you are making teaching harder than it needs to be. Your students are less engaged and you are spending more time than necessary preparing lessons. In this video, I will show you 5 online teaching tools that you will need in order to supercharge your efforts. And the tool number 4 is what turns quizzes into a game that students won't stop playing. My name is Pat. If you are ready, let's get started. The tool number 1 we are going to look at is Google Meet. You just go to meet.google.com. From here, you will be able to create meetings. All you will need to do is to click on this button, New Meeting. Or if you already have a meeting, the person will have to give you the code or the link. Once you have the code or link, you enter it here and you join meeting. Google Meet is so easy to use. It is not like Zoom that will throw you off after 40 minutes if you are on a free plan. And you do not need to move from one application to another. Everything stays in one app. Tool number 2 is FigJam. FigJam is from Figma. You know the popular Figma for UI UX design. So with Figma, you can be able to design different whiteboards. You create a whiteboard with Figma. You do not need to use Zoom whiteboard. Figma is very efficient for this. You have a lot of ability to create sticker notes and all of that. Your students can use it to demonstrate. You can use it to do different illustration. That is what Figma or FigJam whiteboard will do for you. And if you have a slow internet, FigJam runs very smoothly. So it is great for brainstorming. Tool number 3 is Wakelet. This Wakelet is a great platform to connect people. Okay, if you are looking for collaboration, use Wakelet. This is what I prefer to use. Okay, so and it has the ability to integrate other applications: Google Drive, YouTube, Canva, Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, and a whole lot of that. So with Wakelet, you can be able to build the collaboration that your students will enjoy. Please subscribe to this channel if you are getting value. Remember to turn on the notification button and like it so that YouTube will show it to many others. Now, let us go to tool number 4. Tool number 4 is Blooket. This Blooket is very beautiful for quizzes. This is the tool I promise you that your students won't stop playing, because Blooket turns ordinary quiz question into arcade-style games. Okay, your students will compete, they will have fun, they will build rewards and collections. Okay, this is a very interesting tool and everything is fresh, free, and fun. Okay, so if you are looking to engage your students with quizzes, you do not need to give them boring quizzes. With Blooket, they have everlasting playing tool that they won't even know they are learning. And now the last one, which is tool number 5. Tool number 5 is Google Classroom. I know you must have used Google Classroom during pandemic and you are surprised that I still have it here. Google Classroom is very efficient that you have all your materials in one place. If you do not want to do online meeting when you have a live student, you can use Google Classroom to share all your materials, whether it is YouTube video, lessons, quizzes, and a whole lot of that. So all you will need to do is a Google account in order to create a class or join already created class using this button. They are not difficult to use, but if you would like me to do a full comprehensive video on how to use Google Classroom, let me have that below. If you would like to learn more about tools that can help you to create quizzes, I have made this video popping up here for you. Please watch it now. YouTube is also recommending this video based on your interest. Remember to subscribe and share this video with your loved ones. I will see you on another one. Please keep learning. Bye.